In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gemini AI viral images. So let's dive straight in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you end this video confident in creating images that can capture the gaze of any viewer. We'll start with something most of you are familiar with, opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. Once you're there, simply type Google Gemini into the search bar. This is basically the key phrase that will guide us toward accessing the necessary tools. After hitting enter, you will see a list of search results. Look for the official Google Gemini website. Go ahead and click on it. Upon entering the Gemini platform, your next move will be to locate the plus sign button. This button is your gateway to uploading the images you'd like to work with. Click on it and select the images you want to transform into something eye-catching. Keep in mind, the quality and unique aspect of your initial image can significantly influence the potential virality of the final product. Now that your images are uploaded, it's time to craft a prompt. A prompt is a crucial element when creating AI-generated content because it shapes the narrative you want your image to tell. So, take some time to think about what kind of impact or emotion you aim to convey and type this prompt into the provided field. Once your prompt is ready, navigate over to the Tools section. This segment of the site houses a variety of creative options aimed at helping you enhance and perfect your image. Spend some time exploring these tools, as they can really make a difference in the overall presentation and effectiveness of your image. With the tools and adjustments set to your liking, the next step is to click on Create Images. This button will initiate the AI-driven transformation process based on your uploaded image and carefully crafted prompt. At this stage, all the elements come together to generate a potentially viral image. The process only takes a little while, and once it's complete, the last thing you want to do is click the Submit button. This finalizes the creation, allowing the system to generate a high-quality, unique image ready for the world to see. And there you have it. Your photo is done. Whether you're aiming for viral fame or just want to experiment with modern technology, you now possess the knowledge to create standout images using the Gemini AI platform. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and are excited to explore the possibilities. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!